Saving seekers, we see you, looking at your Energy Performance Certificate, or EPC, and wondering what it's actually for. Most people think it's just a form you have to get when you're buying or selling a home, but it can actually be so much more than that. It's an official document that tells you exactly how energy efficient your home is, and what its environmental impact is, which is important to know, obviously. But what makes your EPC really valuable is that it also tells you how to save money and add value to your home by investing in making it more energy efficient, which could help lower your energy bills and could even increase the value of your home should you ever want to sell. So, let's take another look at that EPC. This one is for a typical semi-detached house in the north of England. So bear in mind that the recommendations and possible savings on your EPC will be different because they'll be tailored exactly to your home. Let's see what sort of useful suggestions it has for our semi-detached up north. These start with quick, low-cost wins like swapping halogen bulbs for LEDs. That could save around £45 a year. But why stop there? Another top EPC recommendation is topping up your loft insulation from 120mm to 250mm in depth. It's a relatively low-cost option that makes a big difference, and you might even qualify for a grant to meet all or part of the cost. Or if you want wall-to-wall savings, you may find that your EPC recommends cavity wall insulation if you don't already have it. These days, your EPC covers every subject under the sun, often recommending solar panels that could help you save £500 a year, or more than £12,000 over the lifetime of the panels. That would more than pay for a standard installation. Your EPC might even recommend installing an air source heat pump if you have outside space available. And because the government has a target of installing 450,000 of these across the country by 2030, they're currently offering boiler upgrade scheme grants of £7,500 towards the cost of a heat pump installation, subject to eligibility, or up to £9,000 if you're upgrading from an oil or LPG boiler, helping turn your house even greener, and probably the neighbours too. So, if you've got an EPC, it really is worth reading those recommendations today. If you haven't got your EPC, just go to .gov.uk/find energy certificate to find it, or get a new one. And if you want a little help putting those clever EPC recommendations into action, we're always here to explain your options and help every saving seeker to take control of their energy costs. Everything from cavity wall insulation and heat pumps to solar panels and home batteries. To get started, go to eonnext.com/save.